विहीना अपराधमते कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे 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 नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि मधुरस्मितासि वदामि राधां करुणावरद्रां ततो मम नमस्ते गतिर्नकारि श्यामसुन्दरशिखण्डशेखरं स्मेरहासमुरलीमनोहरं राधिका रसिकमं कृपानिधे सप्रिया चरण किङ्करीं गुरुं संविदधशरतिनं विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजमेन्द्रनन्दन अस्तु मोहन तवाति वल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मदेश्वरे प्रिया प्राणनाथ विश्वानुनन्दिनी श्रीमुखाब्जरसलूलसटपदं राधिका पदतले कृतस्थितिं तं भजामि रसिकेन्द्रशेखरं वंशी विभूषितकरान्नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादुर्णबिम्बफलादृष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परमतत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने कृष्णात् परमतत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने न विजाचे राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यं न विवं न जाचं रम्यं सकलजनकाम्यं वरवधूं मे सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिं गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु हा देवी का कुवर गदगद यद्वाच जाचिनी पत्यभुवि दण्डवदुर्भुटार्ते अस्य प्रसादममुदस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणानां श्रीरूपमञ्जरी करार्चित पाद पद्म गष्टन भुजार्पित मस्तकाया हामुदत कनक गौरी पदारविन्द सन्व्यानि सनकैस्तव किङ्करीस् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे कृष्ण चितपल्लववल्लरीके राधापदाङ्कविलसित सन्मधुरस्थलीके राधा जसोमुख खगामत्त खगावलीके राधा बिहार विपिने रमतांग मनो में राधा बिहार विपिने रमतांग मनो में। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis. And especially I offer my Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Param Pujaniya Srila Shyamrani Didi. Just I want to speak few words because all you spoke very nicely and elaborately explain about the glories of Sadhu Sangha. And that is called Sadhu Sangha Mahima. What Mahima? Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha Sarva Shastri Koi. Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha Sarva Siddhi. All you are so elevated and qualified. All you remember all the slokas. Before speaking, you are speaking. Very nice. So, just we celebrated Vyasa Puja Mahamahotsav. That is called Guru Purnima. Yeah? And also Sanatana Goswami Path is Tirobhav Tithi, disappearance day of Sanatana Goswami Path. Yeah? Very nicely. You also offer your Pushpanjali as like your heart. Your heart is as like flowers. Yeah? That is called Pushpanjali. Flowers. Pushpa Anjali, Pushpanjali. Pushpa means flowers. Anjali means? Anjali means taking your hand and offering. That is called Anjali. Very nice, beautiful dish. And also flowers, one name is called? What did I say? Remember? Those flowers, one name is also called Suman. What is name? Suman means?
Flowers.
Two meanings. Suman means flowers. Suman. Sumane? Good, beautiful. Or man means? Mind. Good mind and heart. What did he say? Understand?
Yeah.
Suman. That means you offer your heart, lotus feet of Guru Varga, with a very nice, beautiful mind or heart. According to Archan Deepika, you can to offer the flowers which are rotten or also no scent. And also those flowers also are that they are cut by some flower insects,
Yeah.
birds are there, you can do for. You have to offer the flowers, those are very nice, beautiful, not to smell and not
Insects.
insects.
Even the bee?
Huh?
Even the bee?
Even the bee.
Even the flowers that have been touched by bees? The honeybee.
No, I told that the flowers, sometimes do flowers cut by the insects, Huh? That flowers also not offered.
Okay.
You read Archan Deepika very clearly explain which flowers you offer to Lord or which are not. Written or not? Archan Deepika, everything written there. And which flowers you offer to which Devata, demigod, also explain this way. And Hindus, they have many demigod and demigoddess. Many types of what is called worshippers. They worshipped many demigod, demigoddess. Especially mainly Hindu people, they worship 5 types of demigods. Those who worship sun god, they are called Saura. What did he say? Saura. Those who worship sun god, they are called Saura. Those who worship Devi Kali Durga, they are called Sakta. Sakti Pasak. Sakta. Those who worship Ganesh, they are called Ganapatta. You worship Ganesh or not? No.
He wrote Bhagavatam.
Those who worship Shiva, they are called Saiva. What is it? Saiva. Those who worship Vishnu, they are called Vaishnava. Balavindavan Vihari Lal. So why I am saying this? Because 5 types of devotees. Saura, Sakta, Ganapatta,
Shaiva,
Vaishnava. 5 types of Pancha Upasaka. Pancha means 5. Upasak means worship. But which flowers to worship to whom? Also Shastra also written in there. Which worship to Lord Vishnu and Krishna? That also written in there. Every flowers you can to offer to every demigod and demigoddess. Understand this? So if you know more, then you can read Archan Deepika. You understand? So just I also explain this is how to worship to our Istadeva, worshipful deities with the flowers. That is called Suman. What is called?
Suman.
And Sumane? Remember again, what did he say? Beautiful mind, beautiful heart. And this is the process. So your mind should be neat and clean. Then Lord will Lord will accept your offering. This is the process also. But Gurudev is very merciful. Nityananda Prabhu is merciful. Because Nityananda he is called Avadut. गोद्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पाती आछे नाम हट जीवेर कारण श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान जन श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान. Nityananda Prabhu is very merciful. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. So Nityananda will accept everybody. Gaur Sundar sometimes angry. He is angry, you know. But Nityananda Prabhu never angry. His name is called Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai. অভিমান শূন্য নিতাই নগরে বেড়ায় যারে দেখে তারে কহে দন্তে তৃণ ধরি আমারে কে নিয়ালো বল গৌরব আমারে কে নিয়ালো বল গৌরব অক্রোধ পরমানন্দ আনন্দ রায় অভিমান শূন্য নিতাই নগরে বেড়ায় বলি নিত্যানন্দ ভূমে গড়ি যায় সোনার পথ যেন ধুলাতে লোটায় অক্রোধ পরমানন্দ নিত্যানন্দ রায় অভিমান শূন্য নিতাই. His name is called Akrodha. You understand? No? Means not. Krodh means anger. He never angry to anyone. For this regard, his name is called Akrodha. And Paramananda is full of bliss, always absorbed in full of bliss. And so the Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda. Abhiman Sunna Nitai. Abhiman, he has no any proud, false ego. We have many kinds of false ego. What kinds of false egos? We have so much. But you have
The identification.
Identification. What identification? You are Vaishnava. Is the best identification. You are the servant of Krishna. Conditional soul, Baddha Jivas, many kinds of Abhiman. False Abhiman actually. What is your first false Abhiman? There is no bodily conception. That Sanskrit word that is called Dehatma Buddhi. Bodily conception is the root cause of all kinds of offenses, aparadh. I am man, I am woman. Bodily conception comes. I am Indian, I am American, I am British, I am Brazilian. This is called here false ego. So who am I? Now question is coming. If I am not man, I am not woman. I am not brahmachari, nor grihastha, nor not brahmachari, nor banprasti sannasi. Who am I? Gopi bhuttur padar kamalor dasananda. God premanandi. All we are the eternally servant of Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Who is the beloved of the gopis? Gopi bhuttur dasananda. This is our real identification. This is true. That is called that is called Suddha Abhiman. One is called false Abhiman, or another is called pure Abhiman. That is called Suddha Abhiman. Now, conditioned soul completely full of darkness. They don't know about their Atma soul, and wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death. Just who told? The Brahmanda Bhramite Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan Sravan Kirtan Jale Karaha Sechan. Who told to whom? Who narrated these words? Bola. Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this katha to Rupa Goswami. Mahaprabhu told. Actually coming Rupa section is coming like this. Brahmanda Bhramite Kono Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij Mali Haiya Sei Bij Kare Aropan Sravan Kirtan Jale Karaha Sechan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he met with Rupa Goswami Pad in Prayag, there is called Rupa Siksha is coming in this. Mahaprabhu told, "Hey Rup, listen very carefully. Wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. How many jivas are wandering in the cycle of birth and death? Innumerable. Innumerable. Akhand. Ananta. Circling the birth and death. But those are very extreme fortune. Mahabhagavan. Only they will take shelter, lotus feet of Guru. Then Gurudev will give the Bhakti Lata Bij, the seed of Bhakti. Just he also explained. What is the seed of Bhakti Lata?
Krishna Seva Vasana.
Krishna Seva Vasana. Desire to serve to Krishna. All we forget to serve to Krishna. We serve to whom?
Ourselves.
Maya. Maya Seva. We like Maya. Maya Devi is very happy. Is she happy or not? No. We are servicing to Maya, but Maya is not happy. Kamadinang kotida palita durnidesa tesang jata moi noktropa no upashan. How Maya is very cruel, hard-hearted, Nisthur. Understand? She is very cruel, Maya Devi. Servicing her, but she is not happy. Day and night. Bete. What is that? So saying in this verse, Kamadinang Katida Palita Durnidesa Tesang Jata Mai Not Trupa and no Poshanti. What is it? Following her instruction. What is the instruction of Mayadevi? काम क्रोध लोभ मोह मद माश्चर्य काम क्रोधे दास या तार लाठी खाए माया देवी डे एंड नाइट bitterly beating. You are not looking how she is beating. What is called
Whipping.
whipping. Oh my God, so much. He is laughing.
Yes.
So saying in this verse, Kamadinang Katida Palita Durnidesa Tesang Jatamai Natrupa Pusanti. She is not happy. Look this. So what will do now? Only our one hope, if we completely surrender lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu and Sachidananda Gaur Kripa. In this verse, He Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, He Sachidananda Gaur Hari, you give mercy. Nityananda Prabhu give mercy. Without this mercy of Gaur Nityananda, Gaur Nityananda Kripa, mercy, we will never to deliver from this material world. Gaur Kripa. First need is which Kripa? Nityananda Kripa, Gaur Sundar Kripa. And Nityananda Prabhu, he is called the embodiment of magnanimous and munificent. If you receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then Gaur Sundar will give mercy. Nityananda Prabhu, he is called also Akhanda Guru Tattva, undivided Guru Tattva. Guru Kripa hi Kevalam. What is it? Guru Kripa hi Kevalam. Only the mercy of Guru Padma, then we can deliver from this material world. Then we can serve to divine Radha and Krishna. Gaur Kripa Hole. In this song also explained. Gaura Kripa. Especially in this Kali Yuga, who will give mercy? Gaur Nityananda. Otherwise, no, there are no any chance. So our aim and object, how to serve to Sachidananda Gaur Hari, Gaura Kripa. So for this regard, Gaur Anugatta Radha Krishna Seva. You understand? We serve to divine Guru Radha and Krishna under guidance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Kripa, Nityananda Kripa, this mercy of Nityananda. Day and night, remember to Nityananda Prabhu. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavanaste. Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavana eva dure. Aradhito Dijasuta Braja Nagaraste. Are Naradhito Dijasuta Nataveha Krishna. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. You know this sloka? Follow.
Aradhitam Navavanam Braja Evat no. Aradhitam Navavanam Braja Ananate Naradhitam Navavanam Braja Evat Dure Aradhito Dvijasvito Braja Nagaraste Naradhito Dvijasvito Nataveha Krishna.
What is the meaning? Aradhito Navavana.
Without worshipping Vrindavan Dham, or without worshipping Navadvip Dham, the land of Gaur Sundar, one cannot attain Vrindavan Dham. If one worships Navadvip Dham, then one can attain Vrindavan Dham. If one does not worship Dvija Sutta, the Sachinandan Gaurari, one cannot attain Brajanagaraste, the divine couple. And Naradito, one does not worship, then Krishna is very far away, not to Krishna.
You know, look, looking. Who knows? Prepare. What is that? First look.
This one? Aradito Raditam Navavanam Brajakananam Te Naraditam Brajavadam Braja Eva Dude Naradito Dvija Suto Brajanagaraste Naradito Dvija Suto Nataveha Krishna, which means that if one worships the Srinavadvip Dham, then one also worships Vrindavan Dham. But if you don't worship Navadvip Dham, then Vrindavan is very far away. And if one worships Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then one also worships Radha and Krishna and Braj. But without worshipping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then you can never worship Radha and Krishna.
So, just heard this sloka is very important. And because in this Kali Yuga, only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give mercy. Nityananda will give mercy. So for this regard, our aim and object, how to receive the mercy of Gaur Sundar, Gaura Kripa. Then we enter in Braj Vrindavan. And how is beautiful Vrindavan. And sometimes, because yesterday was very super auspicious day, I have to speak something about Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. Yesterday was the disappearance day of Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, and he came on very nice beautiful temple that is called Venkateshwar. What is his name?
Venkateshwar.
Very nice beautiful temple. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was dancing, singing, then 1,000 people, they also surprised, taking darshan to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Tapta Kanchana Gaurang Mahaprabhu. And his very nice, beautiful, golden form, sannyas base. Then everybody was attracted. How is beautiful form of Lord Chaitanya, dancing and singing. At that time also some Bhatta Parivar, the families of
Venkata Bhatta.
Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta and Prabodhananda Saraswati. They so much impressed with the dancing singing of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When his Mahaprabhu dancing, singing, everything is finished, that time they met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And they also invited to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please come in my house. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in their house. At that time was this time now. What is the time now? Chaturmasya, no? Chaturmasya, understand?
Yeah.
We also following the Chaturmasya, 4 months. Some following some rules. Then Shravan, Bhadra, and Karti, 4 months. Following rules. So these 4 months, generally sadhus, they are not traveling. Why?
It's raining.
Because very difficult to follow all the rules. When you travel, not so easy to
Follow rules.
follow rules. Some rules is there. Understand? Where is night? Where is day? Where will eat? Where will not sleep? Not possible. Because not available and everything is also. So for this regard, Chaturmasya, 4 months, sadhus are not
Travel.
traveling, staying in one place and doing bhajan and sadhu. Is the thing. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in the house of Bhatta Parivar. What name?
Bhatta Parivara.
Bhatta Parivar. That title, Bhatta. And Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta and Prabodhananda Saraswati. And they took Diksha mantra from Sri Sampradayas. Which Sampradaya?
Shri.
Sri Sampradaya. What is the Sri Sampradaya? Lakshmi Narayan Pasha. Those who worship Lakshmi, they are Vaishnavas. Vaishnava, already I told those who worship through Vishnu, they are called Vaishnava. But a little bit only tell you Vaishnava, 2 types of Vaishnavas. One is called Viddha Vaishnava and is called Shuddha Vaishnava. Viddha Vaishnava means they are worship to Lord Vishnu, but they are thinking Lord Vishnu and he is also perform all his karma. That is called Viddha Vaishnava. You read Jaiva Dharma very clearly. What is it called?
Vidya
Viddha Vaishnava. Are another Shuddha Vaishnava. Those who are realized. The Lord Bhagavan, Vishnu, he is beyond of all rules and regulations of the Shastra. And Lord has no any karma. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Janma karma cha me dibbam. Janma karma cha me dibbam. My birth and activities of it. Supernatural, transcendental. One who realizes these things, after his death, he will attain my abode. But those who are Viddha Vaishnava, they are thinking, Lord also bind with karma, karmadhin. You understand or not? What did he say?
Karmadin, they're binded with the karma.
Who?
Lord.
Lord.
Vidya Vaishnava.
That
Oh,
will
Vidya Vaishnavas believe this.
Viddha Vaishnava, they believe Lord Bhagavan, Vishnu, also bind with his karma. They are called Viddha Vaishnava. A Shuddha Vaishnava, they think Lord is beyond of all rules and regulations of Shastra. Lord has no any karma and karma fall. You understand? Okay. Now you come in the Shuddha Vaishnava. How many types of Shuddha Vaishnava? Vaishnava Sampradaya. 4 types of Vaishnava Sampradaya. How many? 4. Who are there? Sri, Brahma, Rudra and Sanak Sampradaya. You write or not? Tomorrow I will ask. How many types of Vaishnava Sampradaya? Shuddha Vaishnava 4. Sri, Brahma, Rudra and Sanak Sampradaya. Sri Sampradayas origin Acharya, that is called Lakshmi Devi. And in this Kali Yuga, that is called Ramanujarya. Understand? Here is Ramanujarya. Sri Sampradaya Acharya, Ramanujarya. See, Brahma Sampradaya, origin Acharya, that is called
Madhavacharya.
Brahma. You forget all these things, so how possible? First understand about Sampradaya Vichar. You read Gurudev one small book. What is the book name?
Sampradaya Vicharya.
And Chatus Sampradaya Vichar. And fourth Sampradaya Vichar book. English or Gurudev books also. English also there. And this is very important. And Sampradaya Vichar, the conception of our Sampradaya. So Brahma Sampradaya, origin Acharya, that is called Brahmaji. And we are reading Krishna iti Chaturmukh, Horn Krishna Sevanmukh. Then Brahma haite Narada Ramati, Narada haite Vyas Madhakaya Dasya. Brahma Sampradaya. Or in this Kali Yuga, that is called Madhacharya. Madhya Sampradaya Acharya, that is called Madhacharya. Brahma Rudra Sampradaya, origin Acharya, that is called Shivji. Who is called? Lord Shiva. Rudra Sampradaya. Rudra means Shiva. Rudra Sampradaya. And now Kali Yuga, that is called Vishnu Swami. Shiva Rudra. A Sanak Sampradaya, origin Acharya, that is called four Kumaras. What are the four Kumaras? Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan and Sanat Kumar. Four Kumaras. Or in this Kali Yuga, that Acharya, that is called Nimbadit. It's simple. Then first you remember about Sampradayas Vichar. Otherwise, Bhakti Devi will not manifest. So now coming in this way, actually I want to speak about Prabhupada Saraswati Pad. So they took Diksha from the Bhatta Parivar, they took Diksha from which Sampradaya?
Sri Sampradaya.
Sri Sampradaya. They have passed, they are worshipful deities Lakshmi Narayan. Sri Sampradaya. And following all the rules and regulations of the Shastra. So Mahaprabhu, he was staying in their house. How many months? 4 months. And so when love and affection with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, if you stay one devotee Vaishnava house, so what automatically what? Love and affection coming or not? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, Supreme Personality of God is Son Bhagavan. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's 4 months he was staying in their house. And every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he spoke very nice, beautiful Harikatha. So all the devotees, especially Vaishnava Sampradaya, Sri Sampradaya people, they also gathered with him and listened Harikatha. But Mahaprabhu spoke what kinds of Harikatha? Mahaprabhu did not speak ordinary Harikatha. Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he spoke Harikatha in their house, mostly also Ras Lila Katha. Gurudev used this word, and Taja Taja Harikatha. What do you say?
Taja Taja.
Taja Taja means what? Taja means fresh. Fresh Harikatha. That means a lot before coming to Venkateswar, Mahaprabhu first met with Rai Ramananda. Or Mahaprabhu spoke Harikatha with Rai Ramananda, which Katha? Raya Ramananda Sangvad. You read or not?
Yes.
Eh? Raya Ramananda Sangvad Harikatha is not ordinary Harikatha. Eh? Mostly Katha is Radha Krishna Tattva Katha. Very highest. Eh? Topmost Harikatha in there. Eh? Because Mahaprabhu himself asked to Raya Ramananda. And Mahaprabhu listened. Eh? That Harikatha. Eh? Krishna Tattva, Jeev Tattva, Maya Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Prema Tattva, and also Radha Tattva. Eh? All Tattva Katha is there. And especially Srimati Radhika's highest mood, everything is planned. Eh? Gopi mood, Gopi bhav in there. Sakhi's mood also there. Eh? Raya Ramananda Sangvad is topmost. And crowns and jewels of all the Harikatha. Understand? A topmost Harikatha is there. And mostly Raya Ramananda he spoke about Gopi's Mahima. This Katha is there. And especially how Sakhis they serve to Srimati. Dasya Vatsalyadi nahi ye sab gochar. केवल एक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला आस्वाद. Those who are the devotee of Dasya Sakha Vatsalya and Vatsalya Bhav, they cannot serve to divine couple Radha and Krishna. Yes, Radha Krishna ei lila oti gudatar Dasya Vatsalyadi bhavir na hoy gochar sabek sakhi ganer iha adhikar সখী হইতে হই হেই লীলার প্রচার. সখী বিনা এই লীলা পুষ্টি নাহি হয়, সখী লীলা বিস্তরিয়া সখী আস্বাদ হয়. সখী বিনা এই লীলার গতি অন্যের নাহি গতি, সখী ভাবে যারে সেই করে অনুগতি. রাধা কৃষ্ণের কুঞ্জ সেবা সাধ্য সেই পায়, সেই সাধ্য পাইতে আর নাই কো পায়. So very highest katha is there. Why I am saying this thing? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he met with Lord Chaitanya Raya Ramananda, this katha, mostly katha is what? Topmost katha, that's called Sakhi's katha is there. And other katha also did. But Radha Krishna is very confident Savi katha. So I am saying because they are very qualified person. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad and Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta, they are high class qualified person also. And especially South Indian Brahmanas they also. And they have vast of knowledge about Sanskrit slokas also. And for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day he spoke about highest katha. Radha Krishna is mostly this katha. One day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu joked with them. Mahaprabhu told, you worship Lakshmi Narayan. But Mahaprabhu very humble told, your Ishtadev Lakshmi Narayan. But I heard Lakshmi Devi say you got to meet with Krishna. Why? And Lakshmi Devi, she is called the topmost chaste lady also. Sati Sadhyani Lakshmi Devi. Chaste lady, she never to chasing behind other person. So why your Lakshmi Devi, she wanted to meet with Krishna and she wanted to enter in Ras dance. Lakshmi Devi husband Narayan. Understand? Brahman. Or Mahaprabhu told, my Ishtadev, Krishna. Understand? My Ishtadev, Krishna. And Krishna is cowherd boy. So why you Lakshmi, she wanted to meet with my Ishtadev, Krishna. Why? If you go Vrindavan, do Brajmandal Parikrama, go one special forest, name is called Belvan. You have been Belvan or no? You did not go Vrindavan?
Vrindavan, but not Belvan.
Belvan did not go. Just cross Jabuna, Gopinath Bhavan, then you can see Belvan. Lakshmi Devi says, performing hard austerities. Just fold her hand and doing this vigrah. If you go other place, Lakshmi Devi is giving the blessing, giving lot of wealth of money. If you want money or not? Who wants money? He wants money. He wants money. He does not like. He wants money?
I would give it to the temple.
Oh, you will give that temple. So that means you want. You give temple or give it to someone, this is not your subject. If you give to whom, this is depend on you. But you want. This is true wrong.
Yeah.
But when money will come, that time you will say. That is another point. Now money not coming, so you are thinking many things. This is true. Okay, so this is not my subject. So Lakshmi Devi, other place we can see Lakshmi Devi, she is called Dhanadatri. Dhanadatri means she gives the money, wealth, everything. Lakshmi Devi she gives. She gives blessing and lot of money coming from his hand also. You have the picture or not? Okay, if you not see picture, you can go internet. You will see Lakshmi Devi and giving birth.
Coins coming.
Golden coins coming. Which coins? Dollar, no? What's coming? Diamond. This is true. But if you go Belvan, you see Lakshmi Devi, she is not giving blessing this way. No. She is doing his what? Have you seen this deity? In Stop Stuti. And doing hard austerities also. So I am saying Mahaprabhu told this katha also. Your Ishtadev, Mahaprabhu told to them, your Ishtadev Lakshmi. But she wanted to enter in Rasdance with the Gopis and Krishna, meet with Krishna. But she did not enter in Rasdance also. Why? Mahaprabhu asked this question. And Mahaprabhu also told, Narayan, how many qualifications on Narayan? Qualities and qualities. How many? 60. Ramchandra? 62 and half. Or Krishna? 64. But 4 qualifications is extraordinary. Krishna's 4 extraordinary qualifications. Rupamadulja, sweetness of his beauty. Form, beauty. Rupamadulja. Lila Madhurja, sweetness of his pastimes. Or Benu Madhurja, sweetness of his sound of the float, Govinda Benutta. Or 4th, Prema Madhurya sweetness is divine love. Even all the incarnation of Lord, they are attracted with Krishna's beautiful form. Everybody attracted with the beautiful form of Krishna. So Mahaprabhu told, so why you worship Lakshmi? In this way, in the conversation with them, Mahaprabhu told, Krishna is the supreme personality of God itself, Bhagavan. Ete changsa kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavanasya. Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explained this. Ete changsa kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. His son Bhagavan. So Mahaprabhu joked with them. That time they told Prabhu, why you are joking with us, our Ishtadev, Lakshmi Narayan. Then they quoted also one verse, according to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between Narayan and Krishna. Siddhanta Sapta Vedesu Opi Sri Krishna. They are, according to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan, same Bhagavan. But Rasanutkrishta Rasa Utkrishyate. According to Rasa Vichar, the conception of the melodies, rasas. Krishna Rasa Evastiti. And Krishna is the secret. His Rasa Madhurya is the highest. Lord is one or not? How many Lord? Bhagavan? One. Ekamev paramatattam savhaviki achinta sakta sarupa tadrupa bhaiva jiva pradhanu rupena. Lord is one, this is true. But his many incarnation, many his expansion. Tattva Siddhanta is there also. So for this regard, Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta, they told, Prabhu, why did you joke with us? Then Mahaprabhu again told to them, this is true. So why Lakshmi, she did not enter Ras dance with the gopis? She entered or not?
No.
Why? Because Lakshmi Devi, she did not follow some rules to enter in Ras dance. If you want to enter in Ras dance, follow some rules also there. And what will say to Lakshmi Devi? Shivji wanted to enter Ras dance. Then once Shivji, he told to Purnamasi Devi, I want to enter Ras dance. I want to see. Purnamasi Devi said, no, you are not qualified. But she told, no, I want. Then Purnamasi Devi caught him and put in the water of the Brahma Kunda. Then Shivji, he got very nice, beautiful
Form.
gopi form. Then told, okay, you go this place, Rasasthali, and sit one place. Then Krishna played the flute. Then all gopis came. Then Krishna told, today my mind is a little bit disturbed. Your mind disturbed? Always. Always. Every day. What happened? I want to Ras dance, but here some person is what? Not qualified. So they go, all we are same gopis are coming. All gopis, Radha, Lalita, Visakha, all they told we are the same gopis. Coming or not?
Yeah.
Then Krishna told, no. Maybe someone here who is
Imposter.
Unqualified. So who is here? Then Krishna told, okay, you can search. All gopis searching, coming. And north and east corner, one lady is sitting there. Very nice, beautiful young lady. Then gopis, they asked, hey, where have you come from? She did not give answer. What is your name? What is your name? Your name? No gopis name. He did not give any answer. What? You have come from which village? Which village? What is the name of your village? No answer. What is your parents' name? No answer. She did not know her name also. This is the main problem. Understand? Sometimes the immigration officer is showing your passport, saying, sometimes asking your name. Because you are carrying on pen.
I don't know.
Passport or not?
Yeah.
Sometimes asking or not?
No.
No. Okay. Sometimes asking. Because I am traveling whole world. Sometimes they ask. Okay. So now coming in this way. Even Shivji, he did not know his own
Name.
Gopi's name. Understand? Who is your husband? Husband name tell. She did not. Then Gopis ji, oh, Krishna told this thing. This is true. Then they bitterly. Then he was crying and crying. In the meantime, Purnamasi Devi came and told all these things. Then Krishna called to Shivji. Hey Shivji, only Gopi from, you cannot enter in my Rashtrans. Need also some rules. And first need you have to take birth in the womb of Gopis. And in Braj Janma. First to take birth in Braj, Vrindavan. Then you have to take birth in the womb of Gopi. Gopis there is Sarir need. And then your special name also they need. That is called Sanskrit word, that is called need 11th modes. What is it? 11 modes. Ekadas bhav. Naam, Roop, Gun, Leela, Seva, Pragashta. In this. But Purnamasi Devi did not give her name also. So she did not tell, Shivji did not tell his name. So now coming this way. Now Shivji where is staying? In Vrindavan? Gopeshwar Mahadev. And Krishna told, hey Shivji, now you stay in Vrindavan, this place. And now his name is called Gopeshwar Mahadev. If anybody enter in my Rasasthali, they have to take permission from you. Shivji is there also. That is called Vrindavana Banipate Jasoma Sumamole Sanaka Sananda Sanatanam Naradidha Gopisara Braja Vilasini Jivangri. So Shivji is there. Without mercy of Lord Shiva and Gopeshwar Mahadev, no one can enter in Rasasthali. Krishna told this thing. And Shivji cannot enter. Brahmaji cannot. So Lakshmi Devi is also performing hard austerities in there. Why? So Mahaprabhu talked with them, this katha also. And Mahaprabhu very nicely explained about Krishna Tattva and also Lakshmi Tattva, Narayan Tattva. This is what is important also. And actual Srimati Radhika's 3 expansions. One is called Braj and Gopis and also Dwaraka's Mahishis, many queens are in Vaikuntha Lakshmi. Srimati Radhika is herself manifested is 3 forms also. And Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained this. And so now coming in this way, so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very nicely explained, glorifies about the all tattva there, especially Radha tattva and Krishna tattva. And that time their mind changed. Then they worship Radha and Krishna. And understand? Before they worship Lakshmi Narayan, and now they worship Radha and Krishna. Balavrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai. So now coming in this way, they are coming in this line also. Why I am saying this katha also? This is very important or something. In this lila, if any sadhak perform bhajan and sadhan, before not coming is sthai bhav. Sthai bhav, understand? Fixed mood. That time he changes this. Or when you come in this sthai bhav, that will not change. This is the process. And Jiva has own potential there. When Jiva is manifested from the Shakti, marginal potential of Lord, that Jiva, that potential inside there, that will never change. Just give an example. If you planted the mango seed, what you will get? Mango coming or no?
Yeah.
Or if you planted the Karela seed,
Karela melon.
what is coming?
Karela
Bitter melon will
Yeah,
come.
bitter melon.
5 types of seed you planted in the bank of the Jamuna or Ganga. Same soil, same water, same rays of the sun. You planted. What things will come? According to the seed. Paprika potential is there. This is a true or wrong? So that means when Jiva is manifested from the marginal potential of Lord, that's the potential you have. It will not change. Just association with sadhu sangha, with the association with sadhu, then slowly it will be manifest. Nitya siddha Krishna prem sadha kabhu noy sarvanadi suddha chitte karha uday. This is simple. You have everything. Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava not change your that potential. You have already. And so Nitya siddha Krishna prem sadha kabhu noy sarvanadi suddha chitte karha uday. Uday means manifest. This is the process of it. So, if before coming to sthai bhav, that time that means your that potential not manifested. So for there people are going here and there, some they worship Shiv, Kali, Durga, some they worship Lakshmi, Narayan, different. But there Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when we were traveling in South India, one person is chanting Ram Nam. Or when he saw to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Ram Nam not coming. He's chanting Krishna Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu asked, so what happened? Well, when I saw you, then Ram Nam not coming. Mahaprabhu told, actually your Ramchandra is not your worshipful deity. Krishna. Or another place, one person, he was chanting Ram Nam, worship Ram Sita. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this. And Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan there. Then the sadhu, he asked Lord Chaitanya, please come in my place and take Mahaprasad. Mahaprabhu came midday, but he did not cook anything. He did not cook anything. Then Mahaprabhu asked, hey, you also invite to me to give prasad. Where is the prasad? Actually, that he told, Sita Devi, she is cooking. For Lakshman, he did not bring green vegetables. Understand? So for this regard, I am waiting. Because that devotee is Ram Upasak. His type have manifested. One devotee chanting Ram Nam, or when he saw to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna. Because his type have that time not manifest. Or this devotee, what is his name? Who chanted Ram Nam. His type have manifested. This is the process also. Many people are saying, oh, if you just associate with sadhu and would be manifest. But this is not true. Wrong conception. Understand? Narada Rishi, he gave Diksha mantra to Prahlad. Give Harikatha or not? Prahlad, who is Gopi? Prahlad Gopi. You heard?
No, he's in somewhere else. Prahlad.
Prahlad, Narada Rishi, he gave association to Prahlad or not? Prahlad Maharaj is Gopi or not?
No.
Why not?
He's in somewhere else.
Those you are saying associated with sadhu, you will, that mood will come. So Narada Rishi gave association to Prahlad Maharaj or not?
Yeah.
So why Prahlad Maharaj did not become
Gopi.
Gopi? Those who are saying, okay, associated sadhu will become that. Why Prahlad Maharaj? Narada Rishi's origin form is called Naradiya Gopi. So why Prahlad Maharaj is not become Prahladiya Gopi? You ask those who are saying associated sadhu, okay, will be there. This is my very strong example or not?
Yeah.
Prahlad Narada Rishi also gave mantra to Dhruva Maharaj or not? Dhruva Maharaj, which Gopi? Dhruva Gopi. Dhruva Maharaj? No. Even Narada Rishi gave association to Pandavas. Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadeva. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Most of the time, Prahlad in Narada Rishi, he used to come in the house of Pandavas. Hastinapur. Staying in there. Srimad Bhagavata. Juang niloke batavuri bhaga jesam grihanang basatiti saksha. Once Narada Rishi came in the house of Yudhishthira Maharaj. Srimad Bhagavata gave evidence. And Yudhishthira Maharaj, very humble, asked to Narada Rishi give some Varnashram Dharma Katha. Then Narada Rishi very humble told, hey Yudhishthira Maharaj, how you are? Great fortune. The sadhus Daina. Daina understand? Very humility. But Juang Niloke Batavuri Bhaga. Hey Yudhishthira Maharaj, how you are great fortune. Because Lord Krishna always in your house. Look this. So just I also tell you these things. Then Narad Rishi also gave association with Pandavas. Pandavas, they want to become gopi also, but not possible. Eh? Pandavas, they want to become gopi or not? Where? They perform hard austerities on the bank of Radha Kunda. Eh? When Raghunath Das Goswami thinking I will make this purification of this pond, Radha Kunda and Sam Kunda. Radha Kunda now finished, very square. Or when he going to Sam Kunda, also square. Then he thinking there are the 5 trees are there. So night time he thinking tomorrow we'll cut this tree, then we'll square pond. Then night time that tree came in front of Raghunath Das Goswami and told, oh, we are Pandavas, we are doing hard austerities. So how to receive the one that sprinkle mercy of Srimati Radhika or Krishna. So don't cut to us. That time he cut him. Then he also make this and Kunda is yours. Some Kunda crooked also. And also they did not get the form of Gopi, not possible. So sadhu sanga's duty is what? To purify your heart. How to remove all the anarthas from your heart. And so how this Bhaktilata bees will manifest. You have already. Understand? So always I glorify Swamirana did this book. What is the book? Swarupa. This is very important. This will be never you can change it. You have already. This book is very important. And Gurudev Katha, all our Goswamis Varga, evidence in this book also. This book is very important. Everybody have to preach this book. Nowadays many preachers, I don't know why they are speaking different way. When they speak, those who are speaking, read this book. Why not reading this book? This is very important, this book. Gaudiya Sampradayas, important books this also. Everybody have to read this book. They don't understand. And otherwise everybody will they will be running here and there. Param Bhakti Pragan Kesava Goswami give this also a very nice example. The water of the Sattik Nakatra, constellation water, falling down the different places there and manifested different things. Same the water of constellation and dropping in the head of elephant. That is called Gajamukta. Gajamukta, understand? The one kind of pearl or manifested in the head of the elephant. That is called Gajamukta. And in that same water dropping in the head of the snake, that is called Sarpamani. And same water dropping in the mouth of oyster, manifested river, pearl. Look this. So there are many examples there. Shastra giving. You have everything. So saying Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kobu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday, manifest. Mahaprabhu told to Murari Gupta, worship Radha and Krishna. Mahaprabhu glorified to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified to Radha and Krishna Lila Katha. Murari Gupta is thinking, okay, I will follow your instruction. But night time he's thinking how will follow the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How to worship Radha and Krishna? Because already I sold out my life, everything is Ram and Sita. So Murari Gupta, he's thinking what will do now? I will not follow the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So my life is useless. He's thinking I will commit suicide. Understand? Whole night he was thinking, what will do now? Early in the morning, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and knocked the door. Murari. Then Murari opened his door. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Murari, and what did you keep under your bed? Then Mahaprabhu said, Murari, actually we committed suicide. Took one big sword. Then Mahaprabhu told, why did you take this? Prabhu, I cannot follow your rule, instruction. Maybe I will give up I commit suicide. Because I cannot serve to Radha and Krishna. And when I thinking, I will serve to Radha and Krishna, then my heart broke and crying. And how possible I will worship to Radha and Krishna? I worship to my Ishtadev, Ram Sita. And then Mahaprabhu told Murari, no need to worship Ram Sita. You worship, no need to worship Radha and Krishna. You worship Ram Sita. Your Ishtadev Ram Sita. So did. Why not Mahaprabhu change the heart of Murari Gupta to worship Radha and Krishna? Because his taiva is there, fixed is there. Everything is there. So in the same way, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, or original, Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta and Prabodhananda. Actually their taiva yet not manifest. So they worship Lakshmi. They are thinking our Ishtadev, Lakshmi Narayana. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Aswati is there, and then is also their taiva manifest. Then they worship Radha and Krishna. Before they were Sri Sampradaya, and they worship different Radha and Krishna. Before they worship Lakshmi Narayana, and now they worship Radha and Krishna. And Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he wrote topmost grantha, that is called Radha Ras Sudhanidhi. And if you go Vrindavan, and you go Seva Kunja, all these slokas Radha Ras Sudhanidhi there. Radha Ras Sudhanidhi, all grantha is there. Slokas. Very beautiful sloka. So, and Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he performed bhajan sadhana in Vrindavan. And his bhajan sthali, if you go, Vrindavan very close to Kaliyadaha. Kaliyadaha. He performed bhajan sadhana. He came in South India to here and he bhajan in sadhana. So, Prabodhananda Saraswati. Some also, Sampradayas, Param Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he wrote one article. Because some Sahaja Sampradayas, they think Prabodhananda and Prakashananda same. But Param Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami cut this pleasure. Different people. One is Mayavadi, impartialist. That is called Prakashananda. Understand?
The painting is there.
This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with peace meeting with Prakash.
Chaitanya, There is the Prakashananda, Prabodhananda not same. But some some Babaji Sampradaya, they are saying Prakashananda and Prabodhananda same. This is not. Completely different person. Your time is over now. I don't know what is the time now. Your Arati,
9:04.
9
9:04.
9 o'clock. Okay, so no need more. So tomorrow we'll discuss. Huh? This is very important. Who is Prakashananda Saraswati and who is called
Prabodhananda.
Prabodhananda? Not same person. Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj. He wrote one article and having chastised to them also. And give the evidence from Shastra also. And Srila Gurudeshwara Narayan Goswami Maharaj in the book of what is it, Param Guru Maharaj's life history.
Acharya Keshav.
Acharya Keshav also explains it very nicely and give evidence of this. Because first we know about our Sampradaya Vichar. Samprada Bina Mantraste Vifala Mata Sri Brahma Rudra Sanakak iti Kheti Pavana. If we will not know the our Sampradaya Vichar, we cannot enter in Suddha Bhakti also. We are saying we chant holy name, this is true. Chant holy names, be happy. This is true. But how will chant pure holy names? How will chant pure holy names? Suddha Naam. Enter in Suddha Vichardhara, conception of your Sampradaya Vichar. Need or not?
Yes.
Very important. Otherwise our mind will be disturbed. Who is Vaishnava? We think all are Vaishnavas. Of course, all are Vaishnavas. This is true. Vijayavadharma explained this way. But what kinds of Vaishnava? Some also has explained there. One is called Suddha Vaishnava, another is called Vidya Vaishnava. You read or not? Vijayavadharma, read this chapter. So I have to, what is your question?
There's one verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita. It says that every devotee feels that their mood is the most excellent, and in that mood they relish happiness with Krishna. But then you give the example.
No, what the you are reading Chaitanya Charitamrita, which pair?
It's Nija Nija Bhava Sabe Sheshtakari Mani Nija Bhave Kari Krishna Sukha Aswadani. Adi
Nija Bhavi, you know, according to your own mood, Bhav.
And then you give the example of Lakshmi Devi, she wants to be a gopi, the Pandavas, they want to be gopis, but it's not their sthai bhav. So why are they yearning for that which is not their sthai bhav?
Who is not Sthai Bhav?
Lakshmi Devi.
And the
No,
Pandavas.
Lakshmi Devi Sthai Bhav, this is not this. Sthai Bhav, they discuss about Jiva Tattva. Lakshmi Devi already sees the, what is called?
Nitya Parikar.
Parikar. Lakshmi Devi is actually Srimati Radhika manifested three forms already I told. Braje Gopigan, Darakai, Mahisi, or Braje Lakshmigan. Chaitanya Charitamrita. You can read Chaitanya Charitamrita. Srimati, as like her incarnation. Understand? Look, Srimati Radhika's incarnation. Three. Braj, Lakshmi, Braj Gopis, and is it Darakas,
Dwarka,
Mahisi queens are in
Lakshmi,
Lakshmi in
Vaikuntha.
Vaikuntha. But Lakshmi Devi, she wanted to enter in Ras dance. But Lakshmi, she wants to enter in Ras dance with Lakshmi Sari, not possible. This example has given. Actually, this is her Leela. And Lakshmi Devi, she is not Jiva Tattva, she is called Parikar Tattva. And she is the direct age also. And Srimati Radhika. Understand this? Just doing this Leela.
And the Pandavas? The Pandavas?
Pandavas also Parikar. Dwarka is Parikar. So they wanted to become, but not Uddhav was also. What? Uddhav, he performed hard austerities also. Very close to Radha Kunda. That is called Uddhav Kyari. Not possible. Uddhav form not possible.
So why would they desire to experience a mood
If desire with you, listen to the Katha, your greed will come. And you see the Rasgulla, greed coming or not? But only greed can be bad. If your stomach is not good, not possible. You cannot digest also.
Lactose intolerant.
And 10 times you will go toilet. Big problem. Huh? What do you want? First need also have. And stomach. Fix your stomach. And not just to get in the Rasgulla, I said those who are suffering what is called disease, diabetes. Those who are diabetes people, they want to little, they want very eager to sweet. This is the symptom also there. Because doctor don't know. You ask, honestly you ask those who are diabetes patient. They cannot control their sweet tongue. But doctor says, no. This is the nature. Who has disease, they also want to get that things also. You understand? If you have the disease of diabetes, you have to say, I will want more. But there is Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Yadi Kutopi Labhate Tatrapi Laulam Mullam Janma Kati Sukritana Labhate. This is true. But low greed, if you lead greed, but real greed or not? No, false greed. Real greed need. Greed coming this. So for this regard, Akbar Chandrika explained, if you the real greed coming, that is 3 symptoms will be there. What are the 3 symptoms of real greed?
1.2.
Who knows? You know? 3 greed, 3 is the name. First, you have to follow all the rules and regulations of Vaidhi Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti Uddishthana this. Second, you have to stay in Brajavas. If you cannot stay in Braj with your body, but you have to stay in Braj with your mind. Second, always have to absorb with your sadhaka rupa and siddha deva. That the last days. Ragbal Panchandra explained this. And this is very important. Real greed coming. Mone mone siddha deva koriya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishner karaha sevan. Absorbing this. So your question is coming. What is your question now?
He forgot.
He forgot.
You'll remember on the Japa walk tomorrow.
He wants me to stop.
Japa walk. This is important. Understand? Do bhajan service. Just they giving the example, different example. They mostly people they are giving example. Jasya jat sangati pungsang. This slok they are giving example. Actually, this example not for the rasa tattva. And if the one or the rotten potato, you put on the bag of potato, then after a few days, what do you see?
They're all rotten.
All
Rotten.
and juice coming out. Understand this? And in the same way, if you assess the good person there, good qualification will come. Good qualification, the rasa will not change. This is the mundane things. Do you understand what I am speaking? Jasya jat sangati pungsa sat manivat sat. They are saying this example not for the rasa tattva. Ras, bhakti, ras, this is already you have, potential have these things. These are, so for the Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem, Sadhya Kabhu Noy, Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karo Uda means manifest. You have already, potential hai. One small mustard seed. If you crush that mustard